Let's install my new Bursche exhaust. New exhaust is unboxed. Let's take off the old one. So this is the first exhaust I'm installing all by myself. So I'm gonna take a video real quick of where everything is on the stock exhaust. And I'm doing everything up to this manifold right here. The kit comes with a manifold replacement and it's just the same as the OEM one. So I'm gonna keep the old one because it breaks easily when you take it off. And I'm gonna, hopefully it mounts up because this piping is a little bit smaller. I think the new piping is 2.5 inches. So hopefully it mounts up flushly. If not, then I have to do the manifold, which would suck because I heard the studs break super easily. Oh boy. So I got these pieces left. I believe this is part of the manifold that goes like this. And then this is the last part that I'll be needing. That goes like that down at the very end. So I have the new exhaust laid out right now and I'm gonna take off the old exhaust right now. I sprayed the bolts last night, so hopefully they're all loose by now. So I just realized I'm replacing this whole entire system, so I don't need to get these bolts out. I just need to get the hanger bolts out and then I should be good. This bolt snapped off.